Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Welcome back to the weekly Sholini TV News Bulletin, where we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I'm Shubrana, and here are the news headlines for this week. Professor Atul Khosla takes over as Vice Chancellor. Online semester for UG students. MOU signed to upgrade skills through AI. Initiative to create impact through coaching. And now the news in details. The governing body of Sholini University has appointed Professor Atul Khosla as Vice Chancellor of the university. Ankita shall provide us the detailed information. Go ahead, Ankita.
Professor Atul Khosla has assumed charge as Vice Chancellor of Sholini University following the acceptance of recommendations of Search cum Selection Committee by governing body of the university. He was appointed acting Vice Chancellor last year following the elevations of founder Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla as Chancellor. In his 25 plus years of professional experience, Professor Khosla has led the research, academic and consulting assignments with leading organizations including top academic and research institutions, national regulators and global corporates in Asia, Europe, America and Australia. Asked to comment on his appointment as Vice Chancellor, he said he was honored to be appointed as Vice Chancellor of India's leading research university. He said he was sure that with the support of exceptional faculty and students, Sholini University will reach even greater heights.
Thanks, Ankita. Moving on, we have Tarushi with us to brief us about undergraduate semester classes and examinations.
In a major decision, the university has decided to hold online classes and examination for the undergraduate students during the current semester. The next semester will begin from the third week of January.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon. About you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth.
Registrar Professor Sunil Puri said that this would apply to all UG programs, including those begun during the previous academic years. He added that remedial or extra lectures are available offline on campus for students who would like to meet the faculty to clear their doubts. Professor Puri said that those on the campus can also avail themselves of other facilities like the library and the labs. He emphasized that no undergraduate student who is taking classes online will be missing any lecture.
Thanks, Tarushi. Now, Nandini provide us the details about the recent collaboration with Princeton Hive US to upgrade skills through artificial intelligence. Go ahead, Nandini.
Sholini University has signed an MOU with Princeton Hive US, an artificial intelligence-based platform to transform conventional methods of teaching to make the campus ready for 21st century skills. Director of Operations, Princeton Hive, Mr. David McDermott, and Vice Chancellor of Sholini University, Professor Atul Khosla, discussed the significance of international educators' support, content creation and collaboration with foreign universities. Princeton Hive has agreed to provide access to the Hivezilla, which is a 21st century event platform to connect with attendees and organize interactive virtual events. In addition to that, they have also agreed to provide the industry-ready and exclusive online university programs for the students of Shule University.
Wow, that's impressive. Moving on, Sholini University is delighted to collaborate with the International Coaching Federation Foundation, an initiative to create social impact through coaching. Ashutosh has detailed information on this. Over to you, Ashutosh.
The university has signed an MOU with International Coaching Federation Foundation for formalizing the VM Power Coaching program in the campus. The foundation's Ignite initiative is focused on engaging coaching for humanity by delivering pro bono coaching in local communities. Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla said that we must demonstrate the impact of this coaching intervention by capturing data that shows progression not only in terms of individual impact but a larger economic impact. Senior coach Payal Jindal Khanna said that the collaboration is a step forward for augmented coaching.
Thanks, Ashutosh. Shagun shall now give us an insight into meditation and yoga sessions organized through Navratras.
On the occasion of Shardi Navratri, daily meditation and sound healing sessions were conducted for 9 days throughout Navratras. It began with a lamp lighting ceremony by the department head Dr. Subodh Saurabh Singh along with the yoga faculty and participants for the meditation practices. There were daily meditation and sound healing sessions for 9 days throughout Navratras. Assistant Professor Dr. Mala Tripathi explained the importance of meditation practices while outlining the importance of Navratra Sadhana.
As a new initiative, we shall bring you views of students on different topics. Here are some interviews taken by Shreya and Shagun.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya from BGMC department. So let's hear the views of people on whether the classes should be online or offline.
I guess one-to-one interaction is very important in everyone's life, especially in Israel, and also the practical knowledge. So I prefer the offline class.
So my views on whether the classes will be offline or online is that I believe classes should be online only because we have stick to a schedule of learning online, and learning online will also enhance our technical abilities and will allow us to interact with people living far away from us. Offline should not happen.
I'm Ananya Mehta from MBA first year, and I think the classes should be offline only because the experience, the personal face-to-face experience that we get in the online classes is unmatchable. Considering the fact that the MBA students have already started their offline classes, the offline class experience and the online class experience is completely different and in a good way. So I know it's a little bit tedious for everybody to come back to campus and get into that zone that we were in prior to COVID. But trust me when I say this, we love offline classes and I stand in support for offline classes. Thank you.
Yeah, so basically I think that the classes should be in an offline mode because we have the more exposure in our university here. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा कैलिबर रखते हैं हर एक फील्ड में, तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि सारे लोग जहाँ भी अपने घरों को छोड़ के, बिकॉज 1-1.5 साल से हम घरों पे थे और कोविड ने बहुत गंदा असर किया था हमारे को, हमारी सोशल लाइफ बहुत ही डैमेज हो चुकी थी। तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि अब सब लोग जैसे आए हैं कैंपस में आए हैं, सब लोग एक दूसरे से सीखें और ये हर एक इंसान को ग्रो करने के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है।
I've heard the views of people and I myself think that offline classes should be there because people at home they're getting bored and they need the interaction with teachers, and yeah, that's thank you.
That was nice. And finally, Radio Sholini shows for the next week by RJ Priyanshi.
Hey and hello guys, hope you all are doing well. I am here with the list of shows on Radio Sholini this week. First of all we have My Sholini by RJ Indu, उसके बाद मेरी कलम से by RJ Om, and last but not the least, रात अभी बाकी है by RJ Saurabh. All these shows have been uploaded on My Sholini app, So hurry, go tune into those. And well, that's all for today. Thank you.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall be back with the next edition next Friday. Till then, take care, stay home and stay healthy. Bye-bye.